Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for secret network. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get going. Starting from a higher time frame on a weekly chart at the moment, we can see that we have again on RSI a couple of different very high time frame trend lines. One is saying that we are going to be in this correction for probably good few years. Another one is not as bearish. We can have breakouts here and some kind of bullish moves in between, but again, most likely looking for this trend line to break first on RSI, which we would most likely get some kind of relief rally before going down again. But we'll see what happens in the future. Overall, we have had quite a few different counts here, so let's take a look. First one is saying that we had a diagonal ending here as a 1, looking for wave 2. Wave 2 is all the way here at 30 cents. Even for that to happen, we have another 77% drawdown. Other one is saying that we had a cycle 1, 2, another 1, 2. This is very unlikely though, since wave 1 here of primary is larger than wave 1 of cycle, which makes it very unlikely. Then we have the bearish scenario of having this something like W, X, and Y, then looking for another ABC or something of a expanded flat, and then another three-way structure to connect to this one, something like this. So we would be correcting higher in price before dumping down again. Now, depending on your preference on these, we could be taking a look at, for example, this structure here. We could be saying that we have a possible three-way structure here as an ABC. So let's take a look closer on that one. Let me clear out this bull scenario. So even closer, 4 hours maybe. Yeah. So here, from the very tip top, we would have had a WXY here into A, ABC into C. We did get to the 90% area, so we are qualified to have a expand or a flat pattern. Now, for a flat pattern to get these low areas here already above the 1.618 is not really likely. But again, we're going to be looking into this count as I've labeled it mainly on this part as well. The impulse structure idea here is pretty much the same, but here we would have had a really ugly expanding diagonal. It is really ugly. It works off of these pivots from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, definitely not pretty, but it is legal. So let's take a look at this structure here closer, whether it is a third wave or a C wave. Here I've labeled this as a 1, 2, another 1, 2. Then on this drop down again, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and currently making the fifth. Now at this point we are again making the fifth, and it does look even more bearish here on very low time frame. Let's take a look at 1 hour. Here we could see we don't see any pullbacks here, so we can't get another wave 1, 2 here. So we have to say that this is a 1, 2, which again 1.618 expected extension for the wave 3 is all the way down here at $1.07. And I'm not even sure how to read this structure here. Is this a 1 of something or something else? It's definitely not pretty structure in either way, whether it is corrective or impulsive. As we see, we are gone above the 1.618, which means that this structure here is not part of the wave 2 anymore. So this is a start of something, most likely a 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, even though they are not overlapping, but it would be a super weird looking structure. For those reasons, I'm expecting more dumpage down here for the wave 3, and then some kind of rally for the wave 4, and then dump into the wave 5. If we are not getting any extensions and getting right into the extended area of 1.618, and then we could be expecting the wave 4 or wave 5, sorry, to be extended. If that is not going to be happening, then we are getting to the area of 2.236 without any extension on either 3 or 5. That would really match the 1.618 expansion of the fifth wave here as one target. We do have that 2.236 on the micro scale, and subminute has the 1.618 here for the fifth wave. So that would be a pretty good area. Now, what else is lining up very well is this 3.618 extension of this larger move of this minute count here of a 1, 2, then it would be 3, and then looking for 4 and 5. So there is a lot of confluence around these areas, or this area here, around 80 cents, oh sorry, 90 cents to 80 cents area. Definitely a lot of confluence. Let's take a look at the volume if we can find something in here as well. Not much, pretty much nothing. We do have that volume spike here on the 1.618 where we would expect the wave 3 to go to, but another dump down. On structural support, we do have these lows here around the area where we would be expecting the wave 5 to go off this subminute count. But yeah, that is the only scenario I see at the very moment for Secret. Lots of more dumpage to come, and again, whether this is a C wave or a third wave, well, we'll see. There's definitely going to be more time to look at that scenario as well, if it is indeed a third wave. But yeah, more to come. Hopefully we are going to be taking out these lows here and then starting to head up higher. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you have other counts you would like me to share, or if you would like to share some counts, head over to my Discord server in the description below. And if you would like me to analyze other certain assets, let me know as well in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.